Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Bodycam Reactions. So in this episode, Karen, she flipped her car, hit some car on the side of the road, and you're going to get to see her. All of her interactions with the police are very condescending, disrespectful. So you're going to get to see that. And then as the video goes on in the middle and towards the end, I'm going to talk about important legal issues that come up. All right, hope you guys enjoy.
Whose car is it?
That's my grandson's, and it was parked right here.
Okay.
He hasn't went anywhere all day.
All right.
And
is everybody okay?
yeah,
okay.
Everybody's
all right.
okay.
I'll just have you guys hang out over there for now, okay?
All right.
Hello.
Hi.
Looks like you might have crashed your car, huh?
Oh my gosh. Hi. Yeah, I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you.
Rachel? Eli, nice to meet you. What's going on? How'd this happen?
I don't know.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
It's your car?
This is my vehicle,
Yeah.
yes, obviously.
Well, how did it end up on its side? Do you know? Did it just...
I mean, obviously it's just
Right.
playing golf.
I see a...
Notice her tone. She's always like, obviously, being very condescending, like he's dumb, disrespectful. And this is how she talks to police officers. Imagine how she talks to people that she interacts with on a regular basis.
Kid seat. There wasn't a kid in here when...
No,
okay.
no children in here. Obviously, this just happened by itself.
Right.
So that,
Were you driving it?
I obviously was driving the vehicle.
Okay.
So, I mean, do you always
Go ahead.
do you
Just need the
always
one
ask
for
redundant
Edinburgh Victory.
questions, or you just ask questions?
I just ask questions. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. That's all.
Yeah,
It's
I mean,
Rachel, right?
It is, Rachel. It's nice. Yeah. I was just driving down the road, and then
10-4, can you
oncoming
order?
vehicles.
So were you driving this way?
Yeah, obviously.
Well,
That's the way the vehicle's facing. So,
why do you keep saying obviously?
well, I mean, I think
I'm
everything
just
with
trying
this scene is pretty obvious, so
Okay.
I don't think there's much left to...
I guess, did you just not see the car on the side of the road, or how did it end up getting hit?
There was no car on the side of the road.
There wasn't?
Not to my knowledge, no. There was a car driving this way. I was clearly driving in my lane.
Okay. Go ahead. Stand for it, thank you. Where are you coming from tonight, Rachel?
I was coming to my friend's house on the south of town.
On south of town?
South. Yeah.
The south side of town? South
Yeah.
side of Eau Claire?
Yeah.
What's their address? Do you know off the top of your head?
I don't know.
Okay.
I would have to get my cell phone, which is in the car.
Okay.
But we had stopped to pick up a friend at Hobbsy's.
Where is that?
Hobbsy's is a tavern on this side of town, but I don't know their exact address. I'm not
Okay.
super
Was there anyone in the
familiar with
vehicle with you when this
it. No,
happened?
there was nobody with me, and I can tell you, like, there was obviously
You had anything to drink tonight, Rachel?
no, I
You
haven't.
can just be honest with me.
No, I
It's not
haven't.
gonna incriminate you any further or
No,
anything
no,
like
I know. Nope, no.
that. Nothing to drink, huh?
Not since 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
So I would
It's been a
say,
few hours though.
yeah. Like,
What did you have at 6?
I had what we considered a beer cocktail,
Beer
I guess.
cocktail. How much alcohol would you say is in that?
It's a 4%, 4%.
And you just had one of them?
Yeah, it's just fun.
Okay.
We were at a fantasy football draft tonight.
That
so.
explains the jersey. You a Cowboys?
Yeah, that's
Are you a
why I'm in
Cowboys
New
fan?
Jersey. Yeah, I'm
You
a
are?
Cowboys fan.
All right.
But yeah, I just had one cocktail. It was a I don't know the brand name of the cocktail. I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's not the end of the world.
But I know it was 4% alcohol.
Okay. Do you have any like issues with your eyes at all? Like, do you have any?
No, I
Never
don't
had any.
have any ocular degeneration that I'm
Okay.
aware of.
Do you have any? First and foremost, I guess I should have asked this a little bit ago. Are you injured at all?
No, you probably should have asked that right away, right?
Yeah, you're right. I should have, but I forgot. I mean, you were walking, so I
It's okay.
wasn't.
I mean, it's fine.
Okay. So here's the deal, Rachel.
So here's the deal. I won't answer any more of your questions.
You're not going to answer any more of my questions?
Nope.
Okay. Well, you don't have to answer anything.
If you'd like to know, nope. Actually, I'll let you know what's going on from now, because you've superseded your rights of asking me questions.
Hi, ma'am. Can I talk to you?
Okay.
No.
All right, let's talk about what's going on here. So usually the police are required to give you your Miranda warning once there's been a custodial interrogation. So interrogation, when they're asking you questions that would be likely to elicit a incriminating response. And custodial, when you realize you're not free to leave. But sometimes in these cases, they'll basically, what they're doing is evoking their right to remain silent or the right to an attorney before the police issues these Miranda warnings. So really important thing to keep in mind is she's kind of wishy-washy with how they're talking. So if you're like, I think maybe it would be a good idea to talk to an attorney, or I don't think I want to talk to you anymore, that's too vague and ambiguous and not clear enough for the court to find that you've exercised your right to an attorney or right to remain silent. So it has to be more clear than that. So that's something to keep in mind in this case. So I'll get back to the video and I'll talk more about this later.
And so any more questions you have, you can talk to my attorney. All right?
What's your name?
You can talk to my attorney.
It's Rachel.
He knows my name.
Is it Rachel?
I won't be answering any more of your questions. I think I've made that very clear.
All right. Well, I'm just getting on scene.
Yeah,
so I don't know what's going on.
I think I've made it very
So this
clear.
is even not crystal clear. You can talk to my attorney. It's sort of similar to maybe I should exercise my right to not talk to you. So you can talk to my attorney. It's vague. A court absolutely could decide. What does she really mean there? They want to see absolutely 100%. I'm exercising my right to an attorney. I'm not going to talk to you anymore. So I mean, if you're in this situation and you really want to exercise your right to an attorney, which is fine, you got to be 100% crystal clear. You can is kind of vague. It's okay. You're saying you can talk to my attorney. Does that mean you won't talk to me without an attorney? So the court is very much like it absolutely 100% has to be, I exercise my right to an attorney and I'm not talking to you. So just something to keep in mind.
Any more questions?
Why do you think you need an attorney right now?
I think in general, any citizen that encounters a law enforcement officer outside of any normal circumstance should just refer that to an attorney.
Okay. So any interaction with a
I don't
officer?
think that any interaction you and I have beyond what him and I have.
Where have you been drinking tonight, Rachel?
I haven't been drinking tonight.
I can smell the alcohol from you.
Well, I guess you can smell the alcohol from me, but I haven't been drinking, so.
Okay. Why am I smelling alcohol from you? You don't know? Have you been around people who have been drinking? Is there a reason why I'm smelling alcohol right now? It doesn't come from nowhere. Does that make sense?
Mhm.
Okay.
Makes total sense.
So
yeah.
where have you been drinking tonight?
I think I already told you. Any questions you have, you can talk to my attorney.
We've been over that.
Okay.
Okay.
Are
Yeah.
you? Yeah,
I think
know.
that's like very
Did you
clear.
ask about fields?
No.
Are you willing to perform any field tests for us tonight?
No, I would not be willing to perform.
You willing to do a PBT for us tonight?
No.
Okay, you're going to be under arrest for OWI.
Okay.
I got it.
I find it interesting in these cases where it seems clear that they're exercising the right to an attorney or right to remain silent. The police will just keep talking to them like they didn't exercise the right. They could be trained to do that. One issue here is the worst case scenario, if they exercise their right to remain silent and you keep talking to them, like the worst case scenario for the police is just what you said after you exercise your right to remain silent or to an attorney. The worst case scenario is it doesn't get into the court, right? So, I mean, that's kind of the same thing as them no longer talking. So there's not a ton of downside for them to keep talking to you. And also, if you say you exercise your right to remain silent and you keep talking, it kind of implies that you didn't exercise your right to remain silent. So, yeah. Anyway, so if you like a little legal analysis with your body cam videos, subscribe to the channel.
Nora 163 at 156 has 1 plus 255. Who is that? Someone right there.
Oh.
Yep. Do you know her?
Okay.
Okay.
Am I okay? I'm okay. Are you okay?
Yep, everyone's okay, thanks.
You okay?
I am okay. Thank
right.
you for asking. Alright, this one, your wrists are so
okay?
tiny. I'm gonna
Yeah.
loosen it up
Are
and
you
we're
sure?
gonna have to
You're
tighten
okay?
it.
Okay. You guys okay?
Where do you live? I guess, or do you have a preference for who deals with your vehicle at all? Okay. No, I want to put your headquarters first.
Do you have any weapons on you, Rachel?
No.
Okay. Do you have anything in the vehicle that you need to come with you?
No.
Phone, wallet, keys, anything like that?
No, honey.
Okay. Alright. Ready?
Okay. You ready? Let's go. Just something. Hey, it's okay. You just turn your job, okay?
Alright. Focus on where you're walking, please.
As you know, I won't be saying anything else. So I'm going to turn your judgment, okay? You answer that?
What's that?
I won't be talking with them until your judgment.
That's fine. You don't have to say anything.
Thank you.